In this video, we are going to talk about System Restore. Well, this is a function of Windows that will let you restore your operative system to a certain point. And usually I do this operation before I install anything from the web, like software or things that I'm not really sure of, but also usually when I install drivers and also updates. Well, anything that can create troubles or some issues in my computer for like security issues or performance issue of my computer and so on. So I'm gonna show you how to get here first. It's pretty easy. Just you're gonna have to search for System Restore. So if you go in the Windows menu, you can search it. You can search for Restore, and there you go. So to create a restore point means to save the moment, let's say like this. So to save the current situation of your computer into this precise hour and into this precise day. So to create a new one, you can go here and say create. So again, I usually do this every time I install something in my computer or like driver or updates. So I'm gonna type here software XXX. So this is usually the name of the actual software, but right now this is just an example. Just to remember that I installed this one here. So I go to create, wait a few seconds, there you go, it's showing me that it's creating a restore point. So I just need to wait, and there you go. The restore point was created successfully. So I'm gonna close this up. Now also you can configure here the system protection. You can turn it on, disable it. You can assign more memory to this. And when you have installed your software in your computer, then you can see if everything goes okay. If nothing is behaving strangely, if everything seems to be okay, then you can move on. Otherwise, if you find out that something is going wrong, something is not coming out the way it's supposed to, you can always go back in time and use the system restore. So we can access here just by searching again and accessing the restore, and then we already created a point, a restore point. So we just need to go here to system restore and go next. Now right here you can see that I have created some of others restore points. So this one here it's automatic. If you click on one of these, it's gonna show you what basically you can see here that in this situation a lot of drivers were installed, and this is again an automatic restore point. I can also click here to show more restore points. So this is another one. When you click on that, it's gonna show you everything that is done so far, and these ones I've created manually. So this one was the last one here. You can also scan for certain programs, so you can search for. So this is a new one, so it's taking a little bit of time, and you can see that nothing is happening here. So from the moment that I have created this restore point, nothing happened. So if I go back to this restore point, nothing will be deleted, nothing will be removed. But if I go way back here, you can see that there are a lot of software interested, and you can also search for a particular software in there. So when you understand here how this works, you can basically go back in time. So if you know that software is causing you problems and you created a restore point before you actually installed that, then you can go back if that is causing the issues in your computer. So this is why it's pretty useful to create and manage restore points in your computer. So once you figure out which software is giving you issues, you can go back before you actually install it. So you select the correct restore point, click on next, and then you click on finish, and that's it. It's gonna be restored, it's gonna go back in time, and everything that you did after this date and this time will be removed and deleted, just as it was never there, just as it was never existed. So this will be all for this quick video guide. I hope you enjoyed. Please subscribe to the channel, support us with supporter joining the channel, and that's it. You can write your comments and also questions in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.